Okay, so this car is basically perfect. And the last owner who had it just did an incredible job. Honestly, it was hard to even figure out things to do because I like to add my own touch to things. Like, you already lowered it, you did BBS wheels, exhaust, so Boost Logic exhaust. So obviously the only thing I can do is like a plate. The only thing I can do is a plate, and then I did tint. But even the tint guys kind of sucked at that because there was a cage in there. I mean, I don't fully fault them for not doing a wonderful job, but definitely won't be going back to them. But yeah, the last owner did the white cage and everything. So like I was saying, there's not much to do. I did tint and I did a customized plate. But another thing I found is that a lot of guys have been doing these seat cushion swap outs. So that's what I'm gonna do here today is swap out the seat cushions. The black's like fine. It's just nothing too crazy, just kind of typical black Alcantara. Looks good, doesn't look bad, but it could definitely look better and add a little spice to the interior. So that's where I found P1 Designs. They're out of Dallas, Texas, I believe. And the owner, Kim, she's been great to deal with, or not deal with, but to communicate with. And I asked, she has like a custom design that you're gonna see here in a second, but I actually haven't seen these yet, so it is in person. So I'm excited to kind of open it up and see how it looks. I'm not gonna do the typical YouTuber thing or social media content creator thing, and when I open these for the first time, look at them, I'm not gonna freak out, act like, that's not my personality. I don't freak out over a lot of things. So I will take them out and we'll have a true honest reaction from a normal person. So let's see. So I think that the design, it's not houndstooth, but it's not gonna be surprising when it comes to a Porsche, because a lot of the Porsche's owners like this design, and I think you can even get it from factory. So the colors might not be from like factory option, but yeah, let's see how this looks. So it's grabbing. So I'm gonna flip you around really quick. All right, so initial reaction. Initial reaction is that these don't come out easily, but that's okay. All right, damn. All right, I lied. That was a fake reaction. Just kidding. No, these are pretty sick. So these are the top cushions right here. So that's kind of how it's gonna look. So that's a little brief look at it, and then kind of show you the bottom piece. And oof, this is gonna look freaking sick. I actually have this turned around. Yeah, I think it goes like this. But yeah, damn, that's gonna look good. Brightens up the interior a little bit because it's kind of a little dark in here with the, especially with the tint. But yeah, so install is, I'm probably not gonna show you the install because one, I'm filming by myself and it's kind of a pain in the ass to do that. And two, it's simple. You just pull Velcro here, pull out the bottom right there, and call it a day. So the next shot is gonna be it finished. And yeah, I'm excited to see what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right, so if you are installing these seats, it does come with, or seat cushions, it does come with installation instructions. So like I said earlier, you're just gonna pull, it's just secured with Velcro on the backside. So I'm gonna start with the back cushion and then do the butt. It seems like a super simple process. So I just skimmed through these, but definitely don't have any concerns. So looks like you do pull the back out first, pull the butt out first, put the butt one in, and then put the back in, and then you're all said and done. And then she did send a letter. Let's see. This is what's nice about these smaller companies. I'm assuming she's smaller, but yeah, handwritten notes. Kim. Yeah, thanks, Kim. Okay, so that was like 10 minutes total to do the install. The only issue I had was with the passenger side. The bottom cushion has clips, and even in her install instructions, it says that most people break them. And guess what? I was one of those people. So without further ado, here is the new setup. cushions. Do you like them?
Yeah.
They cool?
It's gonna be white.
What color are they?
No, in gray. And black.
Nice.
And black.
So you heard it from Archer himself, the little man. Great product, easy install. They were about $1,500, I think, and then took about 3 or 4 weeks to get here. But yeah, other than that, and that's not even an issue. They're custom products, so that wasn't even that long of a wait. But yeah, you heard it from little man. He approves of the new modification. So as we do with any new mod, we have to drive it now, make sure everything's good. But it's just a seat. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.